Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kahila or Kay, and today this is an unboxing yarn haul. I'll be talking about two different types of yarns today. I was actually gonna like separate these two, but since I'll talk about it in just a little bit, but since one of my yarns took so long to like come in and stuff, and still not in, I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna combine the two, and plus I already have so many video ideas, like I was just like, I don't know how I'm gonna fit both of these within my scheduling, uploading weeks. I was just like, you know what, combine it. So here we are. The first yarn, okay, first I have to tell you guys, I already like opened up the packages, okay, on accident kind of, because I didn't really know what I was getting. So I was like, what is this? And I ripped it open. I was like, it's my yarn. So I got a little peek into these yarns and then more of a peek. Actually, we'll get into that. But yeah, so first let's start off with the yarn that does not have a crazy backstory, unlike the second yarn. So this first yarn is... okay. Where's the wall? Oh, here's the bag right here. Forgot to show you guys. Already open. But you guys, I got... okay, so I wanted yarn that I could make like light, not fluffy, but just like light sweaters with, light cardigans and stuff. So I was just like, okay, let me get another half cotton, half acrylic blend. So I found this comfy fingering yarn. I got it off of KnitPicks, and oh my gosh, first of all, this thing is so soft. This yarn is so soft. Holy crap. I've never messed with fingering weight yarn before, so this is very interesting. Like, it's so thin. I'm so used to working with worsted weight yarn. Holy crap. Okay, so I got it in 1, 2, 3, 6 different colors. I was like, let me just see what the 6 different colors look like. I'll go through each of them for you guys, but let me put that aside. So this says for knitting needles, it says number 1 through 3. I don't know like how that works for knitting needles, but it says number 1 through 3 for the needles. And for the crochet hooks, it says B through E. So that is pretty tiny. Okay, I've never worked with a hook lower than 4.5. Like 4.5 used to be... 6 used to be like the lowest that I work with, and now I'm working with some yarn that requires a 4.5. Well, it doesn't require it. Anyway, 4.5, and now I need to use a 3.5 hook. Okay, so when I do my swatches, I'm gonna use this 3.5 millimeter hook. Oh, this is gonna be so crazy. Okay, and it's 75% Pima cotton, 25% acrylic, machine wash, cold, tumble dry, low. Okay, and yeah, so this color is green, and let me see if it has a name. Oh, right here, Peapod. This is Peapod, okay. And then I have this like reddish, maroonish color called Holly Berry. Very cool. Next, I got this brown color. This is a really nice brown color. It's called Cabin. And next we have this nice bluish, like, it's called Seafoam. So I was gonna say like seafoam green blue color. More blue than green, but like, ooh, it's beautiful. So this is called Seafoam. And then we have this, I don't even know what to call this. Like, it's on a pink scale, but like, I don't know. It's like if you combine pink and brown together, you get this color or something. I don't know. I'm not a person who does colors, but it's called Penny. And last, we have this dark green color called Ivy. So with these 6 colors, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, each skein comes with 218 yards and it's 50 grams. And with these 6 colors, I wasn't sure like how much yarn I would need for a project. I just got these colors just to try them out, like swatchy. But I decided, I'm like, I can make a nice little cardigan. My sister made a nice cool cardigan with a few colors. So I'm just like, you know what? Let me make that cardigan. I've never made a cardigan before, so it'll be great to use this lightweight yarn to make a cardigan. And yeah, we'll just see how that turns out. Hopefully I have enough yarn for that, but it has 218 yards. So I'm thinking I probably will have enough. So let's get to swatching. I want to swatch like a light color. So let's swatch this color and then a dark color like this. So I'm gonna swatch this and then this so we can see what it looks like with a light color and a dark color. And yeah, what am I gonna do? I'll use half double crochet. Since I usually use half double crochet, that stitch for my projects, I'll use it to swatch this now. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, I'm done swatching. I am not about to swatch the dark one. This is enough testing with fingering weight yarn for me. Oh gosh. This is definitely going to be a change because I'm a worsted size 6 and up hook gal. And diving into 4.5 hooks was like a challenge, okay? This is 3.5, but this swatch turned out so nice. I just need to learn how to adjust my tension and stuff because I'm not used to working with yarn so thin or hooks so small. But other than that, this is really good. I am excited to do a project with this. All I need to do is get through that foundation chain and I'm good, okay? That's it. I'm good. So that is what this yarn looks like when swatched. I give this yarn, I mean, I haven't worked with any other fingering weight yarn, so this is a nice 10 out of 10 for me. And plus I'm not picky, so honestly, yeah, it's fine. I just need to get used to working with yarn so thin, and I'm gonna definitely have to probably adjust the stitches for the cardigan that I'm making, especially since this yarn is so small. My sister used merino wool, I believe, for that cardigan, which is pretty small and thin, but I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna still have to adjust stitching, but that's totally okay. I'm fine with that. Now, moving on to the yarn that has a backstory. So this yarn is KC Element yarn from Joann, and I was so excited. I got this yarn like weeks ago at this point, okay? And half of my yarn came in, so I ordered 10 denim blue yarn and then 10 cream, and 9 of my cream, well, I think 10 now. No. I don't know. Most of my cream came in and only 1 of my denim blue came in. My 9 denim blue was still stuck at the FedEx facility. FedEx had a lot of stuff going on their end with it. It's their fault that my package is still there. I've had to call so many times to get my package. It's been sitting there since the 15th and it is now the 23rd. And I plan to film this yarn haul days ago, and FedEx is over here messing up my upload schedule. I've had to start filming like other videos to replace this vacancy that this video put. So good things, good news. I talked to FedEx today. My package should be coming either today or tomorrow. So that's good. And also my sister, Kalila, aka Copy Callie, she also got KC Element yarn, and so did Mr. Robin, but this isn't about her. She got KC Element yarn, and she already did her little project with the yarn, and she had leftover yarn, so she gave me the rest of it. So I have my yarn plus her yarn, which is now my yarn, to show you guys, and I'm so excited because she got a different color. She got cream as well, but she also got a gray color. So I'll show you guys 3 colors today, and I'll swatch with one, probably the blue one. So let's get it. All right, so I have one package open, which is with a bunch of cream and my denim blue, and then I still need to open this one right here. Let me get my snips, because right. Yay! This is my cream. Oh gosh, this is so cool. I haven't seen my cream. This is my cream and my one denim blue that I got. So let's start off with the denim blue. This one color. I mean, I have 9. I have 10. 1 right now, but oh, this color is so beautiful, and I had plans to, maybe my yarn will still come in time, but now I'm including the gray color with my project that I'm going to be starting, and I'm starting it today. So the ribbing is going to be cream, so it doesn't really matter right now that the rest of this isn't in, so hopefully it's in by the time I get to my panels. Anyway, so this is KC Element yarn by Joann. It is called KC because it's knit and crochet. That's the brand. It is 90% cotton and 10% acrylic, and it is 102 yards and is 50 grams. So cool. So it says for knitting needles you can use an 8. What? Does this say 8 to 5? Wait. Oh, okay, no, I get it. Okay. Oh, wait. Do I get it? Maybe that's like the number of the knitting needle. I don't know, but you use a 5mm knitting. You use 5mm knitting needles. I can't even say that correctly. And for crocheters, we can use a 5.5mm. I'm going to be using a 4.5 for this. And yeah, it is a weight 4 yarn. Oh, nice. This is really soft for weight 4. This is so soft. I'm so excited to dive into my project with this. Dude, oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, sorry. I get really excited. Yarn makes me so excited, okay? And it is called Denim Blue, so I've been saying it correctly, okay? I'm definitely swatching this cake right here, dude. Like this color, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the blue one. And then we have cream. Let me see if that's the name, because I'm over here calling it cream. It is called cream. Okay, so this is the cream one. As you can see, it's cream, okay? And then my sister gave me her gray. Is it called gray? Let's see. It is called gray. Her gray color, it's kind of a messed up ball, but it's okay. It's all falling apart, but it's all right, okay? Let's pretend it's not. So you see her gray. It looks really nice. It has like nice like creamish looking colors in it as well, but look at this blue compared to it. Dude, this blue. So now I'm gonna add gray to this project that I'm gonna make, and I'm just gonna do like stripes with it. Yeah, this is a lot of cream. I'm gonna have to make a cream sweater or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at all this cream. Dude, I'm so excited. I'm definitely making a cream sweater, okay? So now it is time to swatch this beautiful denim blue. Yes. This yarn is about to make me stop every project that I'm doing so I can start this project. Dude, do you see this swatch? Okay, like, wait a minute. Look at, oh, my nail got stuck. Look at this. Dude, this color is amazing. It is so soft and oh my gosh, nice and thick but soft. Oh, I'm gonna have to get the different colors from this yarn. Dude, this is so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah. This yarn is it. I'm so excited to start on my project with it. I'm thinking an oversized sweater. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Of course, I'm going to film a video of me doing it. I'm going to start on a ribbing today, and then probably if I finish the ribbing today, then I'll just start filming for that video and then just wait for the rest of my other yarn to come in. Yeah, that's the yarn that I got so far, guys. I have so much more yarn that I bought that's coming in, so you guys will be seeing quite a few yarn hauls from me, some combined, some separate, because some just has to have their own video, okay? Like just it needs it. Okay, so anyway, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know down below what kind of yarn you've been using so far for your projects, and if you only stick to one type of yarn. I used to only stick to one type of yarn, now I don't anymore. I've seen the lights. I love it so much. If you guys want to see more videos like this from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because it'll notify you whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.